Hi everyone, Liz here, thanks for stopping by. So this is a bit of a boring picture, isn't it? Okay, so today we're going to do an unboxing, and yes, I've actually got a box. Ta-da! Okay, there are some special offers on at Craft Buddy on Create and Craft TV, and I just thought, well, it would be rude not to have a look, wouldn't it? So we have, and trust it to be upside down. Oh, and that's such a good cardboard box. So yeah, it's a crystal art diamond painting, pre-framed from Craft Buddy. Great boxes, love these boxes. The branding and everything is fantastic on Craft Buddy. I do love it. And this one is, ta-da! Oh, he's got his head chopped off. It's the Chameleon jungle. So if you can imagine, we've got a chameleon's head there. We will have a look at the canvas in a second. So yeah. Oh, I've just realised there's dragonflies and everything in this. I've never looked at it closely before, so this is going to be fun to look at. So yeah, Create and Craft TV, that's our shopping channel just purely for craft in the UK, is celebrating its 20th birthday. It did have a few of the Craft Buddy shows on last week, but there tended to be more the rubber stamps that they do for using up your spare drills and the forever flowers that they do. But I always just go and have a look on the website and just search for crystal art or diamond painting or whatever. And this picture came up. Now, I've been umming and ahhing about it since I first saw it, which is quite a long time ago. Let's get it out the box anyway. And I'll start getting it out while I'm talking to you. Otherwise, you're just going to be looking at a headless chameleon. So, yeah, I went and had a look. And instead of being, I think they're usually about $26.99 or $29.99, the 40 by 50 pre-framed canvases, all licensed artwork from Craft Buddy as well. And this one was, as I say, on special offer, and I had to look twice because it said £12.50. I thought, £12.50? Wow. Plus, because I'm a Create and Craft Club member, I'm like a lifetime member now because I was one of the first people that joined the club and stayed in it. Yeah, so I've been in the club for however long the club's been going. I don't think they didn't have the club when it first started, so I'm not sure that it's the 20 years, but anyway. And yeah, so I got 10% off that as well, so that brought it down to £11.25. Wow. Okay, sorry, there might be a bit of glare on this. There you are, you can see his face now, look. He has got a little face after all. Oh, he's very colourful. And they were doing a free, because of the 20th anniversary of Create and Craft, it was free postage. So basically, I have paid for a Craft Buddy, making up words now, Craft Buddy pre-framed. It is only a partial, but it's beautiful. And yeah, £11.25. Wow, go mate, you know I can't resist a bargain. And it was probably about 3 o'clock in the morning while Millie had decided she needed to go out in the garden to do what little doggies do. And yeah, so I thought, well, it would be rude not to. So this is one, as I say, that I have wanted for quite some time. I've never seen it close up. I've never seen it in real life. I've sort of like vaguely seen it when they've shown it on the TV programmes. But yeah, I didn't realise it was quite such a partial, I have to say. And I think if I'd have paid full price, yeah, maybe, because there's not a huge amount on it. But I mean, it will do up quite quickly. But I just love the colours, and I do like chameleons. I like the way their eyes work, so that one goes one way and one goes the other. It must be fantastic if you're trying to keep an eye on two people at once. You know, you can follow that one and follow that one, you know. So let's get it out of the plastic so we can see it that little bit better. Okay, up there, there's the fastener at this end in this corner. Yeah, well, I have looked on the website this morning, so we're at Saturday. Are we Saturday today? Yeah, we're Saturday today. As I'm doing this video, and it is still on the website. They've got some special offers on Craft Buddy, on Create and Craft TV on Monday. So it might be worth going and having a look. It looks as though they're doing bundles of like so many 30 by 30s and you're getting a big chunk of money off. So many 40 by 50s and so many cards at so much off as well. So if there are ones that you're looking for, the other one that I've got on my wish list is the Stag. And I keep waiting for him to come back on a special offer. I really do want the Stag one. I think it's very pretty. It's stunning. Right. That's a very good plastic bag as well. Oh dear. I'm going through the not wanting to get rid of stuff phase again, and it's just got to stop because I've got too much. I don't mean diamond paintings. You can never have too many diamond paintings. But I mean like little bits of boxes and little bits of card and little bits of things that you think, well, that might come in handy. And yeah, you've just got box loads of them. Maybe just me. Anyway, so we have our lovely, well, it's more than the standard toolkit. Normally you just got your pen, boat, wax and a few little grip seal bags. But these are the, what I call the posh, extra posh, shall we say, Craft Buddy toolkits. And I noticed a few people have been saying to me since I did my unboxing where I only got a few grip seal bags because I didn't get the standard 20, that quite a few people are counting the grip seal bags now. I think that's fabulous. Yeah, we don't want to be done. Yeah, oh, excuse me. Sorry about that. I've just been joined by little Lottie. We are looking after her again. It's one of Millie's best friends. She comes to stay with us while her mum goes on holiday. So, yeah, what are you up to, Lottie? Oh, she's just sat behind me now. She's not going in the bed. I'll try and get a picture of her later if you've not met Lottie. She's a little Shih Tzu and a little black and going a bit grey because she's a little bit of an older lady than Millie. But yeah, that was what the hoof at the door was because she wanted to come in. Anyway, where were we? Yeah, quite a few of you are counting your little grip seal bags. But I would say we've got way more than 20 there. So actually what I'm going to do, if I can get them in, is just put them all inside one bag so that they don't start escaping all over my desk. And then I'm picking up little grip seal bags for days. There you are. So that's the grip seal bags. We get 2 little pen grips which will go on your lovely pens. I do like the brand. So yeah, we've got the crystal art, we've got your 3 places, the old style, which are great for picking up your special drills, your slightly larger special drill gems, and your single places. Your pen grips just go on your pens, so if you are using your pens, then if you do use your standard pens, then it just makes them a little bit easier to grip. If you get sticky hands, they just makes them a little bit easier as well. So yep, so that's those. And then this one still has the little pot with the 2 little rounds of wax in. They have got a little plastic cover over the top, so yeah, take the plastic cover off first. And then we get a white boat, which is exactly the same as the greens, but it's just in white. A little white flat bottomed boat as well. So pop that all to one side. That is our nice little toolkit. We get our generic leaflet that tells us what we get in our kit and also how to diamond paint in several different languages. I now have a little dog behind my chair that is rolling about on the floor and keeps bumping my chair. You're a mad animal. What are you doing? So anyway, not that she's settled in, of course. You know, mum goes on holiday and leaves her and she's just not bothered at all. Although I'm sure when her mum comes back, she will be, how dare you have left me? It's been terrible. They've not looked after me at all. Oh, right. So I didn't realise this is a full crystal kit. So that's possibly why it's a partial then. Ooh, okay. So we have a walk-in legend. So it's a legend, your key code that you actually cut off from the back there. Let's have a look, see if we can see what specials we've got. So they're all, they've all got numbers. Now these are the Craft Buddy numbers, these aren't DMC numbers. And then we've got a Y, which are like specials, are they? Ys. I think they're maybe AB coated. And then we've got an M at the end, which is a marquee. So we've got They're going to be all the crystal colours. And then we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 shapes beginning with a Y and 1 marquee beginning with an M. So we'll have a look at those 30 different colours and shapes there. But it is very pretty. As I say, it's a lot more, sorry, a lot less diamond paint. I was going to say a lot more background, but I mean, yeah, a lot less crystals than I was expecting, but I think it's going to look spectacular. It's still a very, very pretty picture, the background. So we've got like butterflies up here. That's like a very big butterfly there, very pretty. Now we have these birds, some sort of exotic bird, not sure what they are. These look like lovely, beautiful lily flowers. I have seen something like these flowers before, but I couldn't tell you what they're called. And then I do like the dragonflies. I'd not realised that there was dragonflies on this. And then there's another larger one down here, look, as well. We have one of those little tiny red frogs with blue spots on. Oh, we've got a big beetle down here as well, look. There's a big beetle just down. Oops. See if we can get the beetle on camera. Yeah, we've got a big beetle just down in this corner here. Not keen on beetles. Don't mind them, just don't come in the house and don't run at me. Yeah, I tend to run and scream if something runs at me. I don't mind picking things up and escorting them out of the door, but if they start running after me, oh, can't be doing with it. We've got some orchids here. The brain went dead there. So we've got lilies and orchids. I know what they are. And another one of these birds. So very, very pretty. And then this gorgeous chameleon, which obviously didn't know which colour to be because there's so many colours around him. So he's just gone for all of them. Why not? And then, yeah, it's very, very pretty. Ooh, now then. Kay from Kay Diamond Paint is doing a summer of colour. I'll put it on the screen. Event in, I think it starts in June. So this would really be a summer of colour, wouldn't it, to do for that one? I'll put the event details down below and I'll put the link for Kay's YouTube channel as well. She also has a Facebook group if you want to go and have a look in there. But she's been friends, well, we've been friends for over Facebook for a number of years now. And we've sort of like grown our YouTube channels together, as it were. So yeah, I do want to support her and go and join in with her little event. So I will put, as I say, I'll put something like summer of colour. And I don't think you can get much more summery and colourful than this one. And with it, I mean, it's 40 by 50. And I did think, oh, you know, doing a 40 by 50 in a month with all the other things that I like to do as well. I didn't know whether I'd get it done. But with it only being a partial and with it being crystals, I think I will probably get this one done pretty quickly, so at least I can join in with the event, as it were, and give a shout out to Kay as well. She has a lovely little daughter as well, who she calls Pickle as a nickname, and I think it's fabulous. Gorgeous little family, and Captain Bimble, of course, as well, which is Kay's partner. Right, so let's have a look at these gems. They are absolutely sparkling away at me. We do like a bit of sparkle. Well, actually, I like a lot of sparkle, but we'll do with a bit. So we've got 30. Oh, I've got a hot pink, yes. So, yeah, I do like my colours. 30 different gems, wow. So we've got a lovely, sparkly, clear crystal. And a very deep red. Are they two different colours, or are they the same? No. So that's, I don't know whether it'll show up on camera, really, but that's the sort of shade difference in two reds. I suppose, yeah, you can see one is slightly darker, but that's the trouble when you're trying to match up colours, particularly with crystals, and because they shine, they are quite difficult to colour match. Well, they are for me anyway. I have to do really bright daylight to be able to see them, and not sort of a daylight lamp, actual daylight, to see the different colours. And I do find colour matching, particularly the crystals, quite difficult. So then we have, two hot pinks. We've got a lighter coloured hot pink and a very deep hot pink. Then we've got a lovely honey gold and a yellowy gold and a nice soft bright green. Well, these are going to disappear off the desk in a minute. It looks like they're all in one great big long train. And a nice grass green, and then that's like that emerald jadey green coming up there. And a pale blue, and a bit darker, and a bit darker to a lot darker. So as I've said before, Craft Buddy always do really good charting. They'll never just do 1 or 2 colours in something. They always sort of do 3 or 4 different colours on an item so that you get the depth and the real 3D look and the shading and everything. It just seems to work out really well. I do, you know, there are little niggles that I do get with them from time to time, as you will with every company. But on the whole, I do find that they're a very, very good company. Not sponsored, not affiliated, just I do like Craft Buddy, and they are how I got into diamond painting. So that is like a very royal purple. We have a peachy colour and a very deep orange colour and an even more orangey red colour. Then we're on to a bronze colour, and that is like a grey. It's like a very pale blue or very light grey with a silver backing. Now we've got a squished up one which is a pale pink and a little bit deeper pink, and then like a violet colour. Okay, oh, it's not all in one long train. It just felt like it was because it was going on forever. Oh, it's in 3 bits. Okay, so then we have our, now then, I wonder if the Y's then on the key code are actually the larger rounds. So we've got large rounds in silver, blue, green, red and gold. And then the special shapes, we've only got 1. Is that the eye on the chameleon, do we think? Yes, it is. Look, we've got the eye on the chameleon is 1 large round. I don't think it's got any facets on. Let me see. No, there's no facets on that. And then we've got 2 packets. These are both the same colour of the fire red marquees, and they've got an iridescent coating on them, so you're getting all different colours. As they move through the light, you get a different perspective on them. Ooh, very nice, very pretty. Okay, so I just thought you would like to see my bargain buy. Pop those away. So yeah, a bargain buy from Craft Buddy. Well, from Create and Craft TV and Craft Buddy. So I just think it's, it's been on my wish list for a while, and I think it's stunning. And yeah, I will be getting this one done. Okay, well, just a quick video because just the one to unbox today to show you. I hope you've enjoyed looking at this with me. If you have, as always, a thumbs up is very, very much appreciated. Any comments or questions in the comments down below. And if you would like to come back and see what I get up to next and join our little family, then you do that by pressing that subscribe button down in this corner and the all notifications bell that pops up. And then you'll be notified when any of my videos come up. And as I say, hopefully I will be completing this one for Kay's event, unless I find one that I like better, which is always a possibility. Okay, well, thank you ever so much for stopping by, and I do hope to see you all again soon. Bye for now.